Yo, what's good, yo? It's your boy Cobra here. And today's video, I want to talk about payday loans, guys. Why payday loans are deceptive, why they are literally the worst thing you could ever do. You want to avoid payday loans like the plague. You never, trust me, you never want to get a payday loan, because the first thing you want to understand about payday loans, guys, is the interest rates on payday loans are sometimes over 300% most of the time. So whatever you borrow, you're gonna pay back almost double what you borrow, right? And so, you know, you think about your typical credit card interest rate, you know, 20-30%. You're paying 10 times the interest of a credit card. You're paying like 300%, guys. That's insane. And so it's not even worth it to get a credit card, or sorry, to get a payday loan, because you're just gonna get, and you're gonna wipe out your whole financial situation, guys. Like, it's gonna go from bad to worse, pretty much. So, and you know, if you're struggling and you have, you know, something happen where you got to take this payday loan out, you know, your car, you know, your engine went out, your transmission blew out, something happened where you needed the money to fix your car, or some kind of emergency that happened, my advice, suggestion, never ever get a payday loan, guys. That's the worst thing you could ever do in the world, is get a payday loan. I would rather you put it on your credit card, or, you know, pick up extra shifts at work, or take out a loan, because that interest rate is only going to be like, you know, 20-30%, versus if you get a payday loan, you're paying 300% interest, guys. So payday loans make no sense in any situation, guys. Never ever take a payday loan. It's the worst thing you could ever do in your life as far as your financial lifeline. So, and the payday loan companies, they prey on the lower income people, guys. Like, you know, I grew up in a lower income area, right? And I didn't have any knowledge. I had no financial knowledge, and you know, they prey upon us, people that don't have knowledge and don't know how things work, and we take out these loans, and then we can't pay them back after the 2 weeks, and then what happens? The payment goes from, you know, 300% goes up to 500%, and then you owe double what you took out, and then triple what you took out, and then you just can't ever pay it back. So my advice would be, under no circumstances to ever even consider taking out a payday loan, guys. And let me share with you a story of a friend that I had, who fell behind on his car payments. He ended up taking out a payday loan, known as a car title loan. You see these places on practically every street corner. Usually in the lower income areas, you see a lot of payday loan places, and they advertise car title loans, right? So you basically, what you do is you borrow the money. You have some kind of financial emergency, right? You go in there, you borrow the money, but you end up putting your car up as collateral, guys. And so it's a story. I had a friend who fell behind in his car payments. He was afraid that they were going to repo his car, and so he went and he applied for a car title loan. He ended up getting the money to pay the finance company, right, for his car, so his car didn't get repoed. But then a few weeks later, he didn't have the money to pay back the car title loan, so his car ended up getting repoed anyways. And then he owed even more money because now he owes a finance company, right? And he also owes the car title loan place. See guys how it can pull you into deeper debt? Rather than just owing the finance company, now he owes another company, right? So it's a double whammy, right? So that's what you don't want to pull yourself into that kind of predicament. If you know, if you are struggling, there are options you can do. You can apply for a loan through a bank. You know, whatever bank you go to, you can apply for like a personal loan. You could pick up some extra shifts at work. If you have a job, you could, you know, offer to pick up extra shifts. If somebody calls out sick, you could offer to pick up their shift. You can do a side hustle, right? Uber, DoorDash, Lyft, Grubhub. You could do all that, guys. You can do side hustles. You can mow lawns. You can reach out to people in your community to babysit, cut grass. There's all kinds of things you can do to earn extra money, guys. You never, ever, under no circumstances, ever want to take out a payday loan, guys, because it's going to destroy you financially. Yeah, you'll be able to, you know, get the money, but you're going to end up paying double what you borrowed, which is going to just destroy you in the end, guys. Just like my friend learned back in the day, how his car got repoed, and instead of just owing the finance company, he owed the car title loan place as well. So because they will take your car if you don't pay it, the car title place, they will come and they will repo your car. So I would never, ever, under any circumstances, take a payday loan, guys, ever. You know, in that situation, what my friend should have done is he should have contacted the finance company that he got his car from, and they will give you like an extension for a few weeks, or you could change your payment date, make it later so you have more time, because usually if you don't pay your car, there's like usually a grace period, like 2 weeks up to a month, where they give you extra time to pay it, where they're not going to repo it. But you know, he should have communicated with the finance company and let them know his situation, so they wouldn't have taken his car, you know. And he should have, you know, if you're in that situation, you could do that. But he messed up by getting the payday loan. And guys, too, it does destroy your credit as well. If you don't pay these places, it goes on your credit report, which is going to harm you in the end. So you know, me growing up, I had no idea how all this stuff works. I wasn't taught about financial decisions and financial lessons, and they don't teach this stuff in school, guys. So the only way you're gonna learn is by YouTube University, guys, or you know, you take some kind of college class on accounting or financial literacy, if they, you know, even offer that. And a lot of people learn from their parents too. The parents will give out the information, which is great. But yeah, guys, that's the video. I just want to tell you, you know, once again, this is not financial advice. This is just, you know, this channel is just on us sharing our experiences and growing. We want to keep getting wins, keep getting W's together. So let me know if you guys have any experiences with payday loans, if you know anybody that got stuck in the cycle, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm growing the channel right now, and you know, our goal is just to share our knowledge with everyone, and so we can all level up together and get these W's. So once again, it's your boy Cobra, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.